Hello guys, I've been having my eyes on an electric scooter for the past few months, but I've been holding back on the urge on getting one because Black Friday is almost here and I want to see what kind of deal they got going on. So during Black Friday, Walmart got the HOVER-1 Pioneer electric scooter on sale for $198. On Cyber Monday, the price went down to $148. So for the price of $148, I ordered two, one for myself and one for the wife. The scooter took about a week to get here, and now that it's here, I'm excited today to show you guys the HOVER-1 Pioneer electric scooter. This will be more of just an unboxing of the scooter. I'll be making another separate video on testing the scooter, so stay tuned for that. Without further ado, let's get to it. So right from the box, we see that the scooter has a max weight of 264 pounds. It contains a 30-cell lithium-ion battery that has a charge time of 4 to 6 hours and provides a range up to 16 miles. It has two 8.5 air-filled tires, which should provide a more comfortable ride compared to those with solid rubber tires. With a 300-watt motor, it provides speed up to 14 miles per hour. This scooter features a bright LED headlights and taillight, and that's a good feature to have, especially when you're riding at night. There's the digital display that shows the speed mode, the speed you're traveling at, the battery life, headlights, and cruise control. Alright, so let's open this scooter up. So you have all this foam that you gotta take out first. And here's the handlebar that you will need to attach onto the scooter. The assembly is pretty easy, so you shouldn't have any trouble. First off, you have a quick startup guide to show you how to connect the handle and the basic function of the control and display. Next, we have here the operation manual, which will show you how to use your scooter. Here we have the charging adapter. It has a bright LED that will turn green once the scooter is fully charged. The nice thing with this scooter is that they also provide you with a hand pump, which is good to carry around in case you get a flat. And now we have here the scooter. This thing is pretty heavy. I would say it weighs about 25 to 30 pounds. And here we have some screws that you use to secure the handle onto the scooter. And here's a piece of paper telling you to stop. Do not return this scooter to the store. And here we have an empty bag that I don't know what it's for. Alright, so first impression of the scooter. I really like the design and the look of it. Quality looked decent and seemed like it will last you a long time if you treat it with care. This scooter as a whole looked more expensive than the price tag of $148 that I paid for. It's pretty much a clone of the Xiaomi M365 without the same spec. But for the price of this one, I'm happy with it. So let's unwrap this thing. As you can see, this thing got some nice beefy tires. There is this plastic fender on the back that does bend a bit, so you have to be careful with it not to break it. The handlebar just folds up like so, and the lock just snaps in like this. This makes it very easy to set up and put away. For the handlebar, you have one main cable that will need to be tucked into the steering column, and the handle will just go right in like so. You will use 4 of the provided screws to screw the handle into place. Alright, so let's take a look at the side here. The scooter comes with a nice kickstand. I've heard a complaint of these falling off, so I have to see for myself. Here's a closer view of the back wheel. You can see the nice slotted brake disc along the reflector on both sides of the scooter. On the end, you have the tail light that turns on when the light is on, and it flashes when you engage the brake. You have here a nice rubber grip pad across the surface of the scooter to give you a firm grip on the scooter. I'm not too fond of the color of the logo, so maybe someday I'll probably modify this. Down here is where the charging port is located, protected by a rubber plug. This is not a perfect location and would have been better if it was located on the steering column like some other scooter. This way it will be away from dirt, water, and debris. The handlebar provides you with the perfect grip and control of the scooter. You have the throttle on your right, the brake, bell, and locking latch is on your left. The bell is a nice feature to have so you can warn any incoming traffic of your cool new scooter. This locking latch can also serve the purpose of hanging in a bag or what you have. Here's the throttle. It is spring loaded and seems pretty responsive. So in order to turn on the scooter, you have to hold the power button down for about 3 seconds. And this little paper on here shows you nothing more than just how to operate your scooter. Let's test out the light. With 2 clicks, it will turn on your front headlight and back tail light. Once the brake is engaged, the tail light will flash. In my opinion, the headlight is pretty bright and will come handy if you're riding in the dark. Let's take a look at the 300 watts motor. This is a kick to start your scooter, so you have to give it a push before you can get the scooter going. So the motor is not too loud, and without any weight on, it did reach up to 15 miles per hour. We'll see how it performs when I do the test run. Alright guys, so this is it for now. I'll be doing a test run on this scooter, so make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified when it's up. Thank you so much for watching.